Hello, my name is Elisabeth Aronis and I'm a fashion and beauty photographer. I started working as an international model 10 years ago and discovered my passion for photography through modeling. Today I'm working as a photographer and I will show you in this video how you can take amazing photos with just one flash in every setup. We will have two great setups today with two new flashes and I'm really excited. In the first setup, I will shoot with the new Godox AD200Pro 2, and in the second setup, we will do a sunset shooting with the new Godox AD600Pro 2. It will be a great shooting day. We are in Greece and start with the first setup here at an apartment with a pool. We are going to do a beauty portrait shoot, and for this shoot, my flash will be the Godox AD200Pro 2. The Godox AD200Pro 2 is super easy to transport and travel with because of its size. I use it for outdoor shoots when I know that 200 watts is enough for me and I don't need a more powerful flash, like today for example at our pool shoot. By the way, you've probably already noticed that we have a great video light. My brother Emmanuel, our videographer, uses the Godox M600 bicolor LED light with a quick-release parabolic 120T softbox for the video. A great video light which is also highly recommended for all of you. Now everything is set up and our beautiful model Myrto is ready. So let's start the shooting. Firstly, I will take a photo without the flash. Then I will use the flash to show you the difference. As you can see, there's a big difference between the photos. In the photo with the flash, the colors come out better, we have more contrast and the whole photo is given a style of an editorial magazine or campaign shoot. We love it! I connect the Godox AD200Pro 2 to my new X3 trigger with a one-tap sync. Just tap the wireless sync on the X3 trigger and choose the sync icon on the AD200Pro 2. You can see also the new TFT screen. The display has improved brightness and contrast and is therefore easier to read even in difficult lighting conditions. The new Godox AD200Pro 2 head has improved cooling and ensures optimum performance without overheating. The new flash body is also compatible with previous 200 series flash heads. The new bicolor modeling light offers adjustable brightness and different color temperatures. If you work with the new X3 trigger like I do, you can use the new group color indicator. This allows you to identify and manage different groups. The power output control of the AD200Pro 2 can be adjusted in 10 steps from full power 1 to 1 to 1 to 512. What you will also notice is that charging has become easier and faster. We have fast charging options via USB charger or external power supplies that ensures uninterrupted shooting. By using the standard battery charger, it takes only 1 hour to fully charge the battery. I'm shooting with a Godox BDR S55 Beauty Dish Silver 55 cm. For this I attached the Godox AD200Pro 2 with the S2 Speedlight bracket to the beauty dish. I like to work with silver beauty dishes for my beauty shoots because they give me more contrast and create the beauty look that I want. As you can see, with just one flash, you can take amazing photos. Our model Myrto also did a great job in front of the camera, and now we are looking forward to the next setup on the beach. We have arrived at the beach and will now get everything ready for our sunset fashion shooting with the new Godox AD600Pro 2. For a sunset shoot like this, it's important to have a powerful flash because we'll still be taking photos about 20 minutes after sunset and will also be taking full body shots. The Godox AD600Pro 2 with 600 watts and the new 40 watt bi-color LED lamp is perfect for outdoor shootings even when it's dark. The second setup is also ready and we can start the shooting. I decide to shoot with the Godox Quick Release Parabolic 90T softbox with a grid. At a sunset shoot we have only a few minutes to capture the perfect moment, so let's start the shooting. First I will take another photo without the flash and then one with the flash, to show you again the difference. As you can see, it's already so dark that we can hardly see anything without the flash. In the photo with the flash, the 40 watt modeling light helps us to focus perfectly, even in the dark. We see our model correctly exposed and focused in front of the beautiful sunset, so we can continue the shooting. The Godox AD600Pro 2 offers similar upgraded features as the AD200Pro 2. The first change you can see when you turn the flash on is that the on-off button is now on the control panel. The Godox AD600Pro 2 has a new display too. The bright TFT color screen has improved brightness and a higher contrast. This means we can see the display perfectly even in bright sunshine or in the dark. Also a new upgrade is the freeze mode. With the ultra-short flash duration of 1 to 20,400 seconds and the shortest flash recycle time of 0.01 seconds, you can freeze fast-moving objects at your shooting. This allows you, for example, to freeze water droplets or dancing models perfectly during a shoot. What I really like is the new 40 watt bi-color LED modeling light, an upgrade to the previous 38 watt single color LED modeling light. This means we have stronger light and can change the color temperature from 2800 Kelvin to 6000 Kelvin. I also connect the Godox AD600Pro 2 to the X3 trigger with the new one-tap sync. It's so easy. The Godox AD600Pro 2 is upgraded to 16 groups, each represented by different color. There are two small LED lights on the flash that change color as soon as you change the group. This helps you to see which group the flash is in when shooting even from distance. The Godox AD600Pro 2 offers an extended 10-star power output from 1:1 to 1:512. Taking control to the next level. A really cool thing is also the optional H600Pre 2-meter extension head. I'm looking forward to try this out in one of my next shoots. The Godox AD600Pro 2 is now also the perfect studio flash, as it also supports AC power and provides a continuous and stable power while shooting. So you no longer have to worry about battery levels and changing batteries. You can charge now smarter and faster with the Godox UC46 USB charger. Wow! As you can see, the Godox AD600Pro 2 and the Godox AD200Pro 2 have many great new upgrades. It was a great shooting day and we love the results. We hope you enjoyed the video and look forward to see you next time. Bye!